Today, I will teach you how to draw a banana. Grab your pencil and follow along. Make an upside-down curvy V shape at the top, like so. This will be the top and inner half of our banana. Draw the leaf-like shape to make the banana peel. Now we will make 2 more peels by adding a similar shape on the left and the right. Complete the banana by drawing its lower half like so. Shade the inner sides of the banana peel with a light pencil. Since the light is coming from the left, shade the parts it is hitting with a lighter pencil. Shade the parts on the right with a darker pencil. Finally, define the edges of the peel with dark and fine shading.